Hello and welcome to this course. In this part of the course, I'm going to cover capturing mastery. What I mean by capturing, normally you can describe the process of capturing as exchanging a piece of value which offers a solution to a specific problem in your marketplace in exchange of an opt-in. So some of you might say, I'm well familiar with that. I've seen that at so many websites. I know it. Well, believe me, there are so many big businesses, small, medium-sized companies, not to talk about startups, that are not implementing capturing. And also, there are a lot of aspects to capturing when it comes to creating this piece of information, which you might not be doing right, or you might not be converting the maximum that you could be getting. This is why I decided to start with this part, because I believe that it's the most important one in the sales funnel. So, first of all, there is no such thing as free traffic. When it comes to traffic, you always pay with your time or with your money. So, what's the point of generating a lot of traffic when you are just beginning your business without having a well functioning capturing lead generating tool on your website? I see more and more businesses don't leave enough opportunities to people to actually just leave their contact details or just to make an inquiry. The most of the businesses leave no other opportunities for people to interact with them besides just creating a transaction. Actually, Google did a research which established that normally, on average, a web visitor requires minimum of 8 customer journey points, touch points with your business, with your brand before they execute a transaction. So if you have just one, then how are you going to create all these 8 points? This is why it's so important that you stay in touch with the people who come on your website and have them as leads, have their contact details, so you can stay in touch with them, give them relevant information, and over time convert them into buyers. So in this course, I'm going to cover how to find a problem, a specific problem in your marketplace, and how to create a valuable piece of information. In this case, it doesn't have to be something revolutionary. I'm going to give you some examples with very simple, very well working lead generating pieces of information which people download for exchange of their email address, and I will show you how they work, how you can create even one page free material which people would be curious about and they would be willing to download. Then I'm going to go through some web design techniques, how to write, how to present your product, your piece of information which you want to exchange for email. You can see how to design buttons, how to position it on your website, what words to use. And finally, I'm going to provide some free software. It's a plugin for WordPress. So some of you might be using WordPress website. So I'm going to give you access to a plugin which normally costs £20, but for you it's going to be free, just for you, the customers, the students from this course. And it will allow you to design pop-ups, pop-up windows, so that people can leave you their contact details there. This is all for now. See you in the next lecture.